Hi, this is Martina at the Flora Faunaful channel. It's very warm today, and it's just about to rain, but it is week 10 of the Great Tomato Trial of 2019 here at the Urban Homestead. So I am going to show you exactly what's been going on this week. Number 1 and 2, the Piccolini and the Harbinger. The Piccolini is putting on fruit, as you can see, as is the Harbinger, and we're getting lots of nice little tomatoes from both of them. Very pleased. Number 4, bush cherry. Still has some flowers. No real fruits yet. Well, we can only hope. Number 5, this is the indeterminate cherry tomato. Looking good, looking bushy. And I think I did see, yeah, there's some flowers coming up there. And I think in the, yeah, down there as well. Good morning. Sorry to interrupt. However, I managed not to take a video of most of the tomatoes. I don't know how that happened. So it is Tuesday before work, and I'm just going to show you the rest of the tomatoes. Number 4. No fruit yet. However, I'm seeing quite a bit of little blossoms, so I'm happy with that. Number 5, this is the indeterminate cherry. Also, I'm thinking there's a couple of blossoms out there. Yeah, right here. So I'm happy with that as well. Number 6, the subarctic plenty. Looking good. Getting more fruit. Very excited. And we're due a rain today, so he'll get some drink. 6A, the Rogue, also lots of flowers, very nice. And 7 and 8, the Tumbling Bella. Can't wait to pick some of those. Looking good, very excited. Number 9. Piccolini, and look what I see in there. Something turning, so can't wait to try it out. The first tomato off the Piccolinis. Number 10, I hacked it back. And number 11, the towering Piccolini, still growing strong. And look at that, just for measure. Isn't that beautiful? My dahlias finally are coming into bloom. But this is a tomato trial, and lots of flowers, so we'll be getting lots of tomatoes. Number 12 and 13, the Piccolini, looking a little sad. It's okay. But look at these beefsteaks. They're starting to look very, very good. I have one down there as well. I'm getting more flowers a little bit along the way. Number 14 is another Piccolini, also number 15, just in different kind of pots. Both of them are doing very well, as you can see. I'll focus in a little bit onto the beautiful fruit we are getting and the flowers, as well as here. And you can see there, looking really good. That was number 15. Number 16 is the Roma, starting to look like Roma tomatoes, looking good. Number 17 is the San Marzano. I've pruned it back pretty heavily, so I think it should be all right. Oh, I see something here. Just just take that off. So, should be all right. Needs a little while to get back. 18, hasn't done much this week. This is the Ailsa Craig, the heritage variety. And let's go back to number 19. This is the Ailsa Craig that snapped, a little bit upset, but as you can see, it is getting some flowers. Oh, and there's my cats trying out my strip of fake grass because I don't know what to do with this awful looking tarmac. Don't want fake grass, but it's an awful lot of an expense. Anyway, 21, another Ailsa Craig, definitely getting the most fruit out of all of them. And I missed number 20, but I will go back. But looking good. And here we go, the east facing number 20, also an Ailsa Craig, also getting a nice amount of fruit. So also happy with that. Lizzie, how you doing? Doing okay? Yeah. Who's my baby? Who's my girl? So this is my 3 for $20 totem tomato. Also looking good. Almost looks like kind of like almost a beefsteak variety. It is a determinate one. So we shall see how it goes. Looking good. Getting a lot of fruit. This one has definitely died. That was the West Shore variety, but it's sprung up a lot of little babies in the meantime, so I'll just let it go. If it does something, it does something. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press this like button with the thumbs up button down below. And if you loved it, press the green thumbs up button to subscribe. I think I'll post it up here this time. And I would love to hear from you. Your comments are always so great, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, happy gardening, and enjoy your garden no matter what the weather. Bye! I just thought I would show you just a brief overview of what my garden kind of looks like. Standing by number Ailsa Craig, number 19, and you can see a little bit how everything looks.